How to use PAX Tire Sealant. Step 1. Open the nozzle cover of the PAX Tire Sealant. And prepare a tube to install on the nozzle. Step 2. Use a dedicated A-type tool to remove the Presta valve core. Step 3. Insert the tube into the bike valve and squeeze the tire sealant to make sure the blue fluid gets into the tire. Step 4. Lock the Presta valve core back in place using the A-type tool. Step 5. Use the Presta valve core special pump to inflate the tire slightly. This action can make the subsequent tire sealant more evenly distributed. Step 6. Rotate the tire for about 30 seconds, so that the tire repair fluid is evenly distributed in the tire. Step 7. Use the bike CO2 cylinder to re-inflate the tire and you're done. 7 simple steps let you learn to use PAX Tire Sealant easily.